Hello friends, today our topic is verification and validation. Let me first explain about the verification process. So in verification, we ensure are we developing the product right. In the verification process, we evaluate at a different phase of the application. Uh, in document layer, it does not involve executing the code. It finds early bugs in the development lifecycle. Now coming to the advantage of the verification. Verification help in the lowering the count of the defect in the later stage of development. Verifying the product at a starting phase of the development will help in the understanding the product in a better way. It reduces the chance of failure in the software application or product. It helps in building the product as per the customer specification and needs. So these are the advantage of verification. Now coming to the validation part. In validation, we ensure that we developed the right product. It is done after the product is developed. It requires the execution of code. It finds bugs that the verification process cannot catch. Now, coming to the advantage of validation part, the defect missed during the verification process can be detected during the validation process. The validation is performed during the testing such as stress testing, compatibility testing, system testing, feature testing, etc. Validation assists in developing the right product according to the requirement of the customer. So these are the some advantages of validation process.